Okay, this is just going to be a quick video. I found this really good servo on Amazon. It's a HobbyPark Coreless servo, and it's probably the best one I've tested for these LDRC cars. So I've went ahead and installed it with my max angle kit. I'm running the DOS Micro gyro at around 60%. And then this first test will just be with the stock electronics. You can see the wide angle here. And then I'm turning down the internal gyro on the stock car all the way to 0. So it does do a weird little twitch. I think there may not be enough power going to the servo with these stock electronics. But other than that, it's pretty smooth. This is completely drivable. It does shake a little bit, but I think we can get rid of that by upgrading the stock ESC. You can see here in this slow motion clip that you're getting like no shake. I think we can fix the kind of twitching electrical surge by just putting on a stronger ESC. So I'm going to put on this cheap ESC and then my hot RC transmitter receiver. And of course, after I installed everything, it didn't have forward and reverse, so I think this ESC is junk. Anyway, I just switched to my Injora ESC. It's meant for a crawler, but I like how it works on my drift cars. One thing I forgot to mention is the stock servo horn does not fit this servo, so I'll have to come up with a 3D print for it. Alright, so I have everything set up here. The suspension feels pretty good. I've set the endpoints, and we're going to test it out here. You can see the angle as well. This is my first drive, like immediate. Set down the camera and started driving, and there is like no shake at all. This is probably the best combo I've tested, and it's only a $20 servo too. So the DOS Micro gyro and this HobbyPark cordless servo, perfect pair. If you're looking to upgrade your LDRC like electronics, I would for sure check out this servo. For me, this is probably the best one I've tested. I don't know, I'll shut up now. You can watch the rest of the video and see for yourself.